In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an existing form in WP Travel Engine. This process is quite straightforward and will help you clean up your site by removing unwanted booking or inquiry forms. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub from where you manage all your website settings and features. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the WP Travel Engine section. You'll find this option in your dashboard menu. Click on it and then go to the settings menu. From here, select miscellaneous. This section houses various settings, including options related to forms. Now that you're in the WP Travel Engine settings under miscellaneous, you'll need to look for either the booking form or inquiry form section. Both sections are typically simple to identify and come with their specific form settings. In this section, you'll see options for forms that have already been enabled on your site. You may notice checkboxes or toggle buttons next to the name of each form. This is where you have the control to modify which forms are active. If you're looking to remove a default form, you simply need to disable or uncheck this option. Sometimes you might encounter the form being embedded into your pages or posts using a shortcode. Shortcodes are small code snippets within square brackets that can be added to WordPress content areas, enabling you to insert dynamic content. An example of a shortcode for a WP Travel Engine form might be something like WP Travel Engine Booking Form. If this is how the form appears on your site, ensure you remove this shortcode from any pages or posts where it has been used. Once you've made these changes, the final step is crucial for ensuring your adjustments are applied. You'll need to click the Update or Save Changes button. This button is typically located at the bottom of the settings page in WordPress and ensures that all your modifications are saved properly. Without hitting save, any changes you make will be lost, and the form might still appear active on your site. And there you have it. Removing an existing form in WP Travel Engine is that simple. By following these steps, you should be able to maintain a cleaner, more efficient website. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.